Hi guys, hope you're all safe and well. Welcome to our first ever Code and Create session with Orbis Connect. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Code and Create, brought to you by myself, Joe Davies, and Orbis Connect.
Pop up the slide just to give it a little bit of extra flavour.
Yeah, why not? Let's get the slide involved, yeah. Hello, George.
Hey.
Hi, Pradeep.
Hi, Joe.
Hello, Giuliano. How are you?
I'm alright, thank you. How are you doing?
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Here we go. How are you?
I'm good, mate. How are you?
Very good, thank you. It's slightly sunny here, just outside the London. Whereabouts are you?
I'm in Chester, and it's gorgeous here. We should be doing this outside, so I can sunbathe.
Informative talk there on blameless post-mortem.
Concise and pragmatic and blah, 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 blah. All of these words are fantastic, but let me boil it down to one easy sentence. Kotlin is the new, sexy, awesome Java.
I am an Xbox man myself, so hopefully I'm, rooting for Xbox there for sure. Yeah, special thanks to Giuliano. Thanks to my postman as well for making an appearance.